Hello friends, welcome to Creative Zone. In this video I'm going to show you how to use flame sensor. So let's get started. Okay, and this is the simple flame sensor module, or you can call it IR flame sensor because of the IR receiver is the main component of this module. Okay, the working principle of this sensor is very easy. The IR receiver absorbs the IR that radiated from a flame or fire, whatever you say. That's simple. So let's interface this module with Arduino. Okay, now look at the programming section. First you have to initialize the pins and the two extra thing, which is threshold, that can be set as 200 as you can see here, and the initial flame sensor value is 0, and that's why I set it 0. Okay, then the void setup LED, obviously output, flame pin, you are going to take some value from flame sensor, that's why it's an input. Okay, then the void loop, first you have to read the analog data from flame sensor, then you have to compare the reading flame sensor with the threshold values. Okay, then if condition satisfied, then the LED turns on, otherwise the LED remains off. Okay, a simple program. Just upload this program and see what happened. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.